In Ireland, you can get nicotine replacement therapy, or NRT, for free from the HSE. NRT treatment provides your body with nicotine without smoking, which can help with cravings and other symptoms while you quit. This relief can help people change their habits so that they stop smoking for good. Examples of NRT include nicotine patches, gum, and nicotine inhalers. These are licensed products recommended for people who want to quit smoking. To access nicotine replacement therapy free of charge, you can contact the HSE's Quit Smoking service by calling 1-800-201-203. There are advisors available 7 days a week to answer your questions and offer support and free NRT products. NRT products have not been fully researched for help with quitting vaping. However, the HSE can still offer you support and advice, including on the possibility of using NRT if you currently vape but are trying to quit. For more information, visit spunout.ie/quit.